I can sum up everything I know about fundraising in 6 simple statements. Now, obviously in my training courses, we go into a lot more detail and I share with you practical step-by-step tips on how to do every stage of fundraising. But running through all of them is the theory based around these 6 statements. So, firstly, number 1, people donate emotionally. As much as we would hate to admit it, we make a lot of our decisions when we get angry, when we get passionate, when we're in love, when we get upset. The decision to give is almost always made emotionally. We might back that up logically with facts and with a bit of research, but that knee-jerk reaction on whether to take action or not is based around our emotions. Number 2, keep it simple. So you might know lots about what you're fundraising for, you might know all the details about your causes, you might know the research, the statistics, the information, all these buzzwords and acronyms and things like that. But the general public and businesses and everyone outside your organization don't have that level of knowledge. So we need to keep it simple. Not dumbing it down or making it stupid, but making it manageable so that people can actually digest what we're telling them to do. Number 3, it's not about you. It's about you, the donor. So when we talk to our donors and our potential donors, we're always focusing on what they're looking for. We're focusing on how they can make a difference, what value they're trying to receive, what's important to them. So it doesn't matter what you're interested in, what you care about, what you would respond to. Nobody cares about your organization. They care about what's in it for them and they care about the beneficiaries. And we're there to connect them. A good fundraiser is essentially invisible. Number 4, we have to make a personal connection. Humans give to humans. So when you sound like a robot, when you sound like a machine, when you don't sound like a human being, then people shy away from you. So in everything we do, we want to try and bring as much of a human element as we can do because that's what people respond to. Number 5, ask. Don't forget to ask. And it's amazing how many organizations and fundraisers do this. They wonder why no one's giving, and it's because we haven't asked people to do anything in the first place. So ask for one thing, make it clear, and put it in front of the person and make it easy as possible for them to take action. Do not forget to ask. People only take action when they're asked to do so. And number 6, finally, is transparency. Obviously, we always have to be transparent in everything that we do. People want to see your finances, they can. If they want to know what your CEO earns, they can. If they have any questions about their gift, we can show them. We never try and misguide or hide anything or shy away from any of these questions which may be a bit tougher. We're prepared for them and we're transparent in our answers. So follow those 6 steps and you'll see them run throughout all my courses and you will be a better fundraiser.